Well, hello and welcome to what is hopefully going to be a remotely useful video on editing your photo. We just did this image actually in another video, but I wanted to isolate the taking an image and like removing a part of it, kind of, so it's not so long. So let's jump right into that. So as I said in the other video, this is not a very respected place. Like people come and leave their trash all the time, like their coronavirus toilet paper over here. So I want to remove that from my image. There's two ways you can do that. One, I'm going to do it the wrong way first real quick. So you can take the lasso tool over here, or push L, and then you basically click and drag a circle around your image loosely. You don't want to get too close or too far away, otherwise it might do weird stuff. And then once you let go, it's going to give you this little marching ants kind of a thing. Now what you don't want to do is you don't want to hit fill and realize that nothing is happening. If nothing is happening, that means you have the wrong layer selected. So right now, I just filled in the white mask part of this adjustment layer here instead of the actual image. So I'm going to click on my image. It'll keep my selection, and then I can go edit and fill again. Actually, I can't because that's a smart object. So that's another thing. If hold on, let me do that again. If that doesn't work, like if you can't fill, make sure that your picture doesn't have this little icon down here because that means it's a smart object. You're going to have to right click and rasterize that layer, and then you can fill it. Just like that. So the settings on that should be default. You want content aware and not these other ones. That's clicked. This is normal. That's 100. You don't want any of these other modes. And then it'll delete that object. If you have a weird area here, you can recircle that and then fill it again, and it'll get rid of that part of it, and it looks more natural. So that's option number one. Option number two, we're going to get rid of this stick. So we go over here to the Band-Aid. It should be on spot healing brush as a default. You don't want that. You click it and hold, and then you bring your mouse over here and let go of the mouse. And then we're going to increase the size of the brush with the bracket keys. Now we have to select a part of this image. Basically, we're going to be copying a part of the image on top of this. So we're going to select a part of the image close to it and hold down the Alt key. It gives us this looking like weird looking cursor, and then we click. So once you click the mouse, it has copied that area. So if you wanted to, you could put the sky in the river or whatever you want to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to click here at the base of this stick or needle or whatever it is, and then we drag right, and it automatically copies the right. And now the stick is gone. So that's just a quick and dirty a way to delete certain objects from your image. Don't take and delete an object in the river and then come put the river over here. That's not going to work. You need to reselect by hitting Alt and clicking, and then go down to your image here and delete that thing. And it's okay if it doesn't look that good close up, because once you're in the grander scheme of things, nobody's really going to notice. Okay. So there's your quick and easy, dirty video on how to do that. As I always say in my videos, go out there, shoot photos, shoot in RAW always, and then educate yourself, increase your knowledge, and become a better person because of it.